your channel. Good morning. How you guys doing? I hope all is well. Today is my day off. Today is Thursday. I am taking you along with me, guys, to see what I do on my day off. It's a vlog style video, chit chat video. I'll be showing you what I do on my day off. It's not the same routine every week. Sometimes it can, not sometimes, majority of the times it can be switched. But today I'll be showing you what I'm going to do on my day off. We're starting the day super early. Well, not super early. It's about to be 10 a.m. I have to stop at my local grocery store to just grab some stuff to make dinner for this afternoon. Stay tuned. And also after that, I have to go to my therapist to get therapy done. And let's go. Is this your first time here? Please consider to subscribe. To all of my new and returning subscribers, you know how much I love you guys, and thank you so much for each and every week that you guys do come back to watch another video of me. So let's go. We're going to start the vlog right now. Let's go. Hey, babe. Hey, you guys, therapy was a success. Thumbs up. Next up, we are going to the grocery store. There's a Target around here. I may stop, I may not, because Target be having some nice stuff, especially in the dollar spot. You do get some good gems for your $5, $3, for your good coins, stuff like that. I'm not sure. Look at this at the back. This is my detergent when I have to go do laundry. So yeah, guys, let's go to the grocery store. I am starving. Let's go. From Walmart, and it's been a few hours later. I'm just tired. I'm ready to get put everything where it belongs. I'm just showing you what I got. It was mostly like perishables, kind of like stuff we were running out of. I got me some milk, some bread, pasta sauce. This is not part of it. I had this already. I'm just drinking it now. Some milk, Laughing Cow cheese, some hot dogs, some yogurt. Let me show you guys this little crackers right here. That thing is so good. When you eat it with some coffee, oh Lord, it's everything. Or you put some cream cheese, it is everything. Some garlic bread for the pasta I'm about to make for dinner. Some plantains. Hey, I'm Caribbean. I bought me some peppers so I can make some Haitian apis. And then those crackers here, there's the cheese ones from Ritz. It's just so good. Me and my husband love it. Some tomatoes, and of course some peppermint candy. They were $8. Got me 2, and some juice, bananas, and this ice cream, guys, this is the best ice cream ever. Oh Lord, I can't wait to have one. So I'm about to put, oh, and also I have some chips for my daughter. When she's about to go to school in the morning, she usually grabs one or two, and also she grab one of those little juice and Gatorade because sometimes she doesn't eat lunch, she doesn't like it, so she have it just in case as a backup. So I'm about to put everything away, guys, and I'll see you in a few so I can show you how I'm about to make my pasta spaghetti Haitian style. All right, see you in a few. Hey my love, this is what you will need to make the spaghetti. Those are the ingredients, and I'll be showing you my vegetables that I already cut up, which is red pepper, yellow, green, some tomatoes, onion, and the hot dog. I like to eat my spaghetti with boiled eggs. Those are the boiled eggs. And my pasta water, it's just water, of course, a salt and garlic with some thyme. I usually doesn't cut my spaghetti, so I just add them, and this is how it looks. Now you know, if you did not, don't you ever throw away your pasta water because you will need it. Because I myself, I don't like my pasta to be too dry, so that's why I use my water. I'm just adding the rest of the ingredients, the cheese, mozzarella, and the laughing cow, and also a little bit of pasta sauce, because I don't like when it's too white as well. I don't use tomato paste, so this is what I use as my tomato paste. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This spaghetti pasta was so good, guys. It was so yummy, yummy, yummy. This is the end of the vlog. I want to thank you guys for coming along with me to spend the day with me. I hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it. I will see you in my next one. Don't you forget to protect yourself and your family and love yourself. I will see you in my next video. I love you all. Ciao.